Okay, I got this Whirlpool dishwasher, which it was leaking from the bottom of the dishwasher. We need a drill or a screwdriver, the drill bit T15 Torx 15 star bit. You need a flashlight, a flat screwdriver, and then I'm gonna replace this little small grommet piece inside the sump pump at the center of the dishwasher, and we can replace this from inside, not from the outside or from the bottom. I'm gonna show you how to do this. I will show you how to replace this to stop the leak from your dishwasher. So the first thing, you're gonna open your dishwasher, take the baskets out, one basket out. There's two side pieces, you open them apart and the whole piece will slide out. Then there's the spray arm, you just turn it. I'm gonna get the flashlight here. So you just turn it like that and it's gonna come off. Take your filter out, this piece, and okay, from inside, let me see, from inside there's a plastic piece for the top spray arm, and there's another one that's held by a piece of metal. Open that, open this one, it's out. Okay, hold this close here, hold it like that. And then there's a little small piece, you just have to pick it up a little bit and then turn this whole piece out. This big spray on piece is out too. Then there's this piece that comes out, and then the grommet is there. You can see it. You can only pull this grommet out if you take the diverter valve out. So this piece belongs to diverter valve, this white plastic piece. So you're going to put the dishwasher on its back. Use the T15. Okay, bring it down. Open this screw. Open that screw. This piece comes out. You see that there's a little small hole from there. This piece comes out. You can unplug it from both sides. You're not gonna mix it because this blue piece doesn't go here. Only the red goes there and the blue goes there. So put these parts on the side. Pick up the dishwasher back, open it, get a flat screwdriver piece, and then just stick it on the half and just pry it out, and then this piece comes out. So I installed the new one already. I'm just making this video to show you how to do that. So hold this, please. So once you put the grommet piece back, put the dishwasher on its back again. Put this little small piece in. Put the screws in. So the red goes there, the blue goes here. I will pick up the dishwasher again. So everything looks good. Now I'm gonna put these small pieces. You can put this one. Make sure to do a good cleanup on this one too, because once you pull this out, you're gonna have lots of garbage in there. Okay. Actually, I'm not gonna put the filter now. I'm gonna put the spray arm. these two pieces, they also come apart. Slide this in. Before you put this, actually there's a white piece that goes here. Okay, that's in. And then once it's in place, turn it, it's gonna snap in there. And you can also put this piece back in. There's a little small hole that this is supposed to go there. So it's you have to snap it in onto the top and also at the back of the dishwasher. And put your spray arm back in. Put the filter. Slide these out. Also, on the basket, look at these two holes. If you look at those holes inside, make sure you have that rubber piece inside. Sometimes they miss and then your dishwashers are not gonna get properly sprayed. So here's the rest of the basket. Dishwasher is fixed.